So as you can see, today I'll be re-engineering my clipper. This right here is a Conair model 1B94. It's a fairly new electric clipper. At first glance, one will notice that it consists of two blades, an outer casing, an on and off switch, and last but surely not least, a power. It works perfectly fine. So let's open up this jar. So here we have our internal components. We have the power cord, the switch, the magnetic motor, and the piston that hold the blades together. And here are the blades as I showed you earlier. There are two blades. The power switch assembly contains sub-assemblies. As you can see, there's an on and off component that can be used to turn the power switch on and off. There's also wires running from the power switch to the electric motor and wires running from the power switch to the power cord. The magnetic motor can also be broken down into smaller sub-assemblies, namely the pivot that holds the blades together and the copper wire coil. The pivot also has a sub-assembly, as there is a hook on the front of the pivot that is used to hold the blades together. So how does this work? Whenever your clipper is plugged in and the switch is turned on, the power cord brings electricity to the magnetic motor. This causes the magnetic motor to move in a horizontal fashion. There's also slight vertical axis movement. These movements cause the blades to move relative to each other at a very rapid pace. This is what allows the clipper to cut your hair. So I just explained the functions of the components of the clipper. Remember, the components are the magnetic motor, the power switch, the power cord, the blades, and last but not least, the pivot that attaches the blade to the motor. Now it's time to try and put this machine back together.